Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a quick walk through the 2019 60 Fly Azimut. Now in the cockpit of the 60 Fly Azimut, you'll notice a nice marble table, great seating, wrap around for dinner, and you also have two teak chairs to back this up. Nice little wet bar area with a marble top on the port side with a refrigerator that pulls out. Notice the teak cockpit, which runs throughout the boat, side decks and bridge. You've got a full overhang for full shade and a retractable sunshade down the back for that late afternoon sun. Stepping into the salon of the 60 Azimut, you'll notice you have great opposed seating and wraparound sofas. The styling on this boat is incredible. Large windows for the dinette, which is convertible, it opens up. Gives you a much bigger table. Really nice seating area on the starboard side with large windows. On the port side, we have a nice galley with a full-size fridge. Great counter space here, all Miele appliances, wine fridge, and good storage. Moving to the helm area, you'll notice you have two great helm seats here. This boat is equipped with the joystick docking control, Volvo power, Seakeeper, twin Raymarine Axiom screens. The VIP forward on the 60 Azimut has nice windows port and starboard, lets in a lot of natural light. Great hanging lockers on either side. We also have private access to the head and shower on the port side. On the starboard side, we have the twin bunk stateroom with a large hanging locker, TV, Bose surround sound, and a nice window for natural light. On the port side, we have a nice head and shower separate. This is for your bunk room. Nice teak inlay flooring. The master stateroom is aft and full beam. You'll notice the large windows, large bed. On the port side, you have a really nice dresser, vanity, seating area, lots of closet space with hanging lockers, and aft is the separate head, separate shower with marble counters. On the Flybridge of the 60 Azimut is one of my favorite areas. You have a nice double helm seat, twin Axiom screens, additional Seakeeper display, joystick docking control, and great visibility. You have another wet bar area with ice maker, fridge, and grill up here. But what I really love about this boat is the seating up here. The opposed sofas in the back, marble table for dining. Just a great visibility spot. You also have a hardtop on this boat, as well as a retractable sunroof. The bow area of the 60 Fly Azimut is a great seating area. Sunpads built in here, and you also have a sunshade system which can be popped up if you don't want the sun. So on the stern of the 60 Fly Azimut, you have a hydraulic platform which drops down into the water. You also have crew cabin here for single berth, separate shower, and great storage. This is Scott Douglas. Thanks for taking a look at the 2019 60 Fly Azimut. If you'd like to see this boat in person, you can call us at 910-256-8100. Thank you.